Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe below. This is a beauty-driven channel. I like to do beauty-driven stuff, whether it be style, nails, things like that. So I'm just delving into nails now. I've been doing them for a while, but I mean on my channel. So yeah, if you guys are ready to see my unboxing and my first impression of ENailcounture or exclusive nail couture, then stick around. Okay guys, here is the package right here. I literally ordered this. Shipping for me was no problem. It was really fast. It says it was a first class ship, February 26, 2019. It is now the 28th, so that is amazing. It was shipped from Tucson. These are American made products, so it is from the US, and it was shipped from Tucson as far as I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm trying to figure out a good way to open this. So there it is right there. Billed to me. My address in Colorado. It says I had a baby kit, which is like you get 3 acrylic powders and then you get the monomer. That is 4 ounces. And it says now a larger size. And then I got the Bboom glitter mix, the Poppy pure glitter mix, and then the powders, the crystal clear one. So all of that came up to, with the discount Love 14 for February, $33. Boom, nothing left. Just came in that bag, and then here's the box. Here it is. Nice and taped up. Not like the best packaging secure, but hopefully nothing has unraveled. The box is just like, a very cheap, box. Which I don't care as long as everything's okay. I don't really care about their boxes, their packaging, as long as everything's good. So here we go. Oh gosh, there's like tape everywhere. I'm trying to unveil it with you guys, not open it and then talk to you about it. So you know what I mean? So there it is. It's got the peanuts. I'll take those out. Something fell out. So that is what it is looking like in there. Something fell out too. So this is the, I think the Poppy glitter has to be. It says, so this is what it looks like. It is not labeled at all, but the packaging is really cute. It's a lot less product than I thought you would get. I don't remember how many mils it said it had. Not mils, but you know what I mean. So there it is. Look at how gorgeous that is, you guys. I am super excited. It comes with this little plastic piece right here. So I'm just going to take that off so we can see the beautifulness. Look at that. How amazing is that? It's pure glitter and I cannot wait. I'm going to encase this. I already have an idea of what I'm going to do with this, but I'm going to be encasing it in a nail. So that's going to be really fun. I can't wait to share that with you guys. I think it's called the Powders Acrylic System, yeah. So this is like a little bit powdery. There's a little bit of powder around it. But again, packaging, super cute. This is glass pink, this one here. So it has the cover on it. But there is some dust. That is what it looks like. It looks fairly white. Glass pink. I thought it would be translucent pink. So that's interesting. So here's the next one. This one is Eternal Beige, which I cannot freaking wait to use. Same exact packaging as the last one. There you go. I love the packaging. It's really, really cute. Really fun. There's powder everywhere all over this one too, for sure. It's pink looking, universally flattering color. Really pretty. And then this one is the Chrome White. This comes in the kit. The Chrome White, the Eternal Beige, and the glass pink are what comes in the baby the baby kit and then the monomer as well. Boom, Bboom. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that. Freaking gorgeous, bro. Again, the same packaging. It doesn't say what they are on the packaging. I mean, that's different. So here's what it looks like. They are beautiful holographic pieces, and they're glitter, so like they're very fine little. This I thought would be really fun and cute. I love holographic stuff, so that would be really fun. And then the last one is crystal clear. This one's just supposed to be like the most perfect crystal clear that you've ever seen in an acrylic system. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that would be great. So yeah, that is what it looks like. The same as the other ones. So I've got crystal clear, I've got the pink, the eternal beige, and like the pink glass. So here are they all are right here. That is what they look like. And then I have the two glitters right there. The monomer, because I was very interested in this. Looks like it's wrapped really good. It feels like it's empty. Like there's hardly anything in here. So it is wrapped quite nicely and tight. But anybody that works with monomer knows that it leaks very easily. How well this was wrapped up and shipped, that it didn't leak. That it wouldn't leak. So here's another, it's wrapped in cellophane. That was tough. Here it is completely full. So, I don't know. And I can smell it. I can smell like the monomer smell. Let's see what happens when I open it. It is closed. This is their 4-ounce bottle. This set will now cost you $19.99. I believe he's repackaging everything from what I've heard. It still smells a lot like monomer. It has that really strong smell. I like that smell, but I thought it was going to have more of a cotton candy smell. I can smell a hint of like a cotton candy, but I can really still smell the monomer, which it's fine. I didn't feel like it was only going to smell like cotton candy. I know that. But I was really curious, you know, how they were going to do that. So I'm going to make sure I close it really tight, but this is the whole system. This is my unboxing of Max Estrada nail, exclusive nail couture. If you are wondering and interested now that his prices are like slashed in half and even more, if you guys wanted to get that, then yeah, I'm going to be showing more videos, me doing nails and things like that. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And overall, I think I really like the packaging. I mean, it is very inexpensive packaging, and that may be why he is changing or he's clearancing all these out, I think, and maybe repackaging it in a better packaging and maybe pricing it differently, because this is very, very inexpensive packaging. So yeah, I couldn't imagine these costing like 2 cents to make. So yeah, I think it'll go a long way with his whole line. I love it either way. I think it's adorable, like I said. So yeah, everything came to me safely. Everything was good. I gave it my thumbs up so far, and I'm going to be working with it this weekend. So stay tuned for that video. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Like this video if you do like unboxings or nail videos. And yeah, I'm going to be saying goodbye to these guys right here. and putting on some new ones. So yeah, check in with you guys later. Bye.